this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my second travel photography book that I laid out and printed using Blurb. I'm sharing this video because I want to help others whom are interested in printing their own books that feel high-end and look professional. Every person that has seen the book in person really loves it and asks questions about where I got it printed. So, this video was born. I was inspired to print this book because as a professional photographer and a lover of tangible art, I wanted something of my own to hold. I have a strong belief that digital files need more than just to be seen on a screen. I travel a decent amount and have hundreds of thousands of images that never see the light. I wanted to give them a home and also enable myself to enjoy them whenever I wanted. I began the research on which independent publishing company I would use to make this happen. And these are the things I looked for. Book sizing. I really liked that they had larger format landscape books. Paper quality. They offer premium papers which feel and look very nice and are heavyweight. Custom wrap art. For the cover, they offer the ability to print directly on the book versus printing on a book wrap, which over time would get damaged. Logo removal. You can pay a few extra dollars to remove the Blurb company logo. Simple software. The software is intuitive and offers tons of layout options. Price point. In comparison to other companies, the price point is great. For a 13x11 book with premium map pages, like the one I made, they start at about $68 for 20 pages and 60 cents per additional page. The book I made is 234 pages and weighs about 5 pounds. I want to mention that this video was not sponsored by Blurb. I'm just extremely happy with this product and I wanted to share my excitement. This book is a part of an ongoing archival series. Every future book will be printed in the same format. Only colors and names of places will be changed. In this book, we are going to visit Belgrade, Vienna, Paris, and Barcelona. I hope you enjoy the visual presentation.